We are pleased to show you the 2018 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, trip computer, clock, power brakes, trip odometer, fog lights, child safety locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.